Hey friends, if in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 the Vault Edition Battle Pass is not working, then follow the following solutions, we will help you with them. First of all, check for day 1 player status because this is very important. You need to note that the Battle Pass COD points will not be immediately available and it will only unlock during the first full game season, which is around 6th of December 2023. Now, after that, you also need to check for your edition because the Vault edition includes a battle pass, COD points, and tier skips as a part of Baxel unlocks. But if you have purchased a standard edition from Steam or Activism, then you will not get access to it. The last is to contact Activision support. So go to support.activision.com. Now scroll down to Call of Duty Modern Warfare and click on this. You have options to contact them here, like for account help, game performance, and so on. And simultaneously, you can also check the known issues page whether this is a known issue or not. Was this helpful? If yes, then please let us know in the comment section below, and if not, then please let us know that as well in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.